What's up, y'all? I am about to go to the park, just a random park with my dog. I'm just about to put something in my GPS and just see what today turns into. Let's just see. I love Neo. This is like one of the first good days. It looks so good outside. It feels so good outside. I think it's some type of event going on here. I'm gonna walk over here just to see what's going on. But North, calm down, girl. Calm down. She's so happy to be out. This way. There's something going on. Got Mim Pops out there. It is such a big day.
Oh, you're doing so cute. Sorry, he loves to play.
Right. Come on, Nora. Nora. Like some type of recycling event. another husky. North. This way, babe. North.
All right. We're ready for our next two sustainability superstars to talk about what they do. Now, Sarah Houston with Protect Our Aquifer.
Thank you so much.
Come on.
Anybody that can hear me right now, tell me who's got the best water in the country? Who's got the best water in the country? Woo! Memphis, Tennessee, and that is because of our amazing underground aquifer. So you dig 400 feet below the ground, right here. It's a big layer of sand. And Protect Our Aquifer is a nonprofit that works to ensure our drinking water stays clean and flowing far into the future. Policy, education, we do that through ensuring
First time at the dog park. She was born in 2018. No, 2019. April 2019. Yeah, she is like we have another husky and like she sunned him. He be trying to mate and all of that, and she's just like North. Yeah, we got. That's the girl North, and the boy is West. North and West. Yeah. She probably trying to sneak out. Come here, North. Thank you. Walk it in. Those some squirrels. Stop. It feels so good to just be in nature, enjoying the sun. Oh my God. Oh, North. The sun feels so good. I thought this was like something made, but this is actually just a tree that fell. I thought it was like a path. Maybe. I don't know. But it looks good. Come on, Nora. Just stay on the trail. I don't want to get just a beautiful day. Like a really pretty day outside. Come here, North. I got North cup top. See if she like it. They say it's like bone broth and yeah. I think that's like a little doggy treat. Come here, North. Come here. Taste it. North, taste it. She made me waste my money. North. I know you hot. You've been walking. Come on. I got me one. Not one of those, but a chocolate one. It feels so good outside.